Assalamu alaikum. This is our first lecture of chemistry grade 9. Today we will starting reading chemistry grade 9 book of FBIAC. This lecture is introduction of chemistry. In today's lecture we will study branches of chemistry. So first branch of chemistry is physical chemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with the laws and theories to understand the structure and changes of matter is called physical chemistry. Organic chemistry: the branch of chemistry that deals with the substances containing carbon, except carbonates, biocarbonates, oxides, and carbides. Inorganic chemistry: the branch of chemistry that deals with elements and their compounds, except organic compounds, is called inorganic chemistry. Biochemistry: the branch of chemistry that deals with physical and chemical changes that occur in living organisms is called biochemistry. Industrial chemistry: the branch of chemistry that deals with the methods and use of technology in the large-scale production of useful substances is called industrial chemistry. Nuclear chemistry: the branch of chemistry that deals with the changes that occur in atomic nuclei is called nuclear chemistry. Environmental chemistry: the branch of chemistry that deals with the chemicals and toxic substances that pollute the environment and their adverse effect on human beings is called environmental chemistry. Analytical chemistry: the branch of chemistry that deals with the methods and instruments for determining the composition of matter is called analytical chemistry. So these are 8 branches of chemistry. Now I will read definition of chemistry. Chemistry is defined as the science that examines the material of the universe and changes that these material undergo. And we will read a side paragraph which is related to the science, technology, and society. Archimedes was a Greek philosopher and mathematician and inventor of many war machines. Greek emperor gave him the task to determine whether his crown was made of pure gold or impure gold. Archimedes took the task and started thinking on it. He knew that the volume of an object determines the volume of the liquid it displaces when submerged in the liquid. One day, when he was taking bath, he observed that most more water overflowed the bath tank as he sank deeper into the water. He also noticed that he felt weightless and submerged. Wait, I will increase increase the brightness. Sank deeper into the water. He also noticed that he felt weightless as he submerged deeper in the bath tank. From these observations, he concluded that the loss in weight is equal to the weight of water overflowed. Thinking this, he at once designed an experiment in his mind to check the purity of crown. He thought he should weigh the purity of crown. He should weight crown and equal weight of the pure gold. Both should be dipped in water and separate containers. Since every substance has different mass to volume ratio, if the crown was made of pure gold, it would displace same liquid of water as an equal of pure gold. If crown is impure, it would displaces different mass of water than the impure gold. Thinking this, he was so excited that he ran from the bath shouting, Eureka! Which means, I have found it, like Archimedes' discovery. Science developed through observations and experiments rather than by speculation alone. So these are differentiation between branches of chemistry. So first is the no, now we will study the practical and then we will study differentiation. Vinegar contains 5% of acetic acid Acetic acid CH3COOH is a colorless liquid that has characteristic vinegar-like smell. It is used to flavor food. Various types of studies on this compound can help you to differentiate between various branches of chemistry. Explanation of its transformation into gaseous state or liquid state, applications of laws and theories to understand its physical instruction. Second, physical chemistry. Since this is a carbon compound, its method of preparations and study of its physical and chemical characteristics is organic chemistry, but the study of its component elements carbon, hydrogen and oxygen is inorganic chemistry. This is because inorganic chemistry deals with elements and their compounds except carbon compounds. However, some carbon compounds such as CO2, CO, metal carbonates, hydrogen and carbonates and carbides are studied in inorganic chemistry. 4.1. The study of the study of chemical reactions that acetic acid undergoes in the bodies of human beings in biochemistry. Use of technology and ways to obtain acetic acid on the large scale is industrial chemistry. The study of the effect of radioactive radiations or neutron on this compound or its component elements is nuclear chemistry. The study of any adverse effect of this compound or the compounds that are derived from it on the humans is called environmental chemistry. The method and instruments used to determine its percentage composition, melting point, boiling point, etc. is analytical chemistry. Now we will study some main part of this chapter: elements, compounds, and mixtures. We will study mainly uh, di- differences and some examples, not all paragraph because it will take too much time. A substance that cannot be converted to other simpler substance is called element. For example, substances like oxygen. A compound is a pure substance that consists of two or more elements held together in fixed proportions by natural forces called chemical bonds. The properties of compounds are different from the properties of the elements from which they are formed. The example: water, carbon dioxide, copper sulfate, sodium chloride, etc. are compounds. Elements and compounds have uniform composition throughout. An impure substance that contains two or more pure substances that retain their individual chemical characteristics is called mixture. Now I will tell you two more things: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. They are not highlighted, but they also come in exams. Where are these? Wait, I will figure out. Here is a mixture that consists of two or more visible different components is called a heterogeneous mixture. For example, sand plus salt. A mixture that consists of only one phase is called homogeneous mixture. For example, sugar mixed in water. Homogeneous mixtures also have a uniform composition throughout. Next topic is atomic mass and mass number. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is known as its atomic number. For example, there is only one proton in the nucleus of each atom, therefore its atomic number is 1. The total number of proton and neutron in an atom is known as its mass number. Some atoms of an element have different number of neutrons, such atoms are called isotopes. Now we will find number of neutron, mass number minus atomic number. These answer will be number of neutron. So this is our first lecture of chemistry, and in this lecture we have studied branches of chemistry, and some main points like substances, compounds, which we will use in other lectures as well. So this is just an intro, and inshallah we will meet in the new lecture, and we will study atomic Rutherford atomic model and Bohr atomic model. This is for now. Allah Hafiz.